everyone, it's Carly, and today I'm back to do another blue light blocking glasses review on this brand right here. With all of the extra screen time that I'm having right now, that I'm sure a lot of you guys are having right now, blue light blocking is really important because when you're staring at a computer or an iPad or a phone all day long, that's really not great for your eyes. And I've said this before, but I'll say it again, I am not the best with eye care, so I thought that this would be a cool product to share with you guys. So this is kind of a half sponsored video because I did get this pair of glasses for free, but then the two pairs in this box I did purchase for myself, and I do have a discount code for you that I'll share at the end, and I will put everything in the description box below. I am basically blind, not really, but I do wear prescription glasses or contacts, so they do have the option. You can either get prescription or you can get just regular blue light blocking, and another YouTuber that I watch has the blue light blocking even though she doesn't have prescription, so it's still important to protect your eyes even though you might not have a prescription. That might help you prevent having to actually have to wear glasses. So they come in this leather case, and I do like the fact that it is structured and it's not just like a sleeve, because I've said this before too, the sleeves, I just think that my glasses are gonna fall out if I ever take them off. So it comes like this. I have opened these, but I repackaged everything after I, made sure everything was good after I got them because I wanted to show you what they look like coming out of the packaging. So this is what they are, and I like the fact that the inside is red. I don't know why, but it just looks nice when you open it. So they come all wrapped up, and then inside has the little nose thing, so when you put your glasses in there it holds them in place, which is nice. And they also send you a cleaning cloth with each pair of glasses, which I really like because I always need one of these things. I've said it in my what's in my bag videos, but I can never have enough of these. I have them everywhere. This one, ooh, I haven't actually opened this one before because I just looked at the glasses, but this is huge and I love that. So that's cute. It has their logo. It says discover beauty with your eyes. So I like when they have a cute little thing on them. I don't know why. This is nice, and this is a good material because some glasses cleaning cloths I've had kind of stick when I go to clean glasses. So that's what this is. They come in a bag. So let's take these out. These are so cute and they feel really good. They're a good weight. So then they come with the protective things on them. I'll just pull these off. This is the style Jolla, J-O-L-A, and like I said, it'll be linked below. And these have the blue light blocking. I don't know if you can see the reflection from my window, but that's kind of what the reflection looks like. So I will try these on. I don't have contacts in because the other ones have prescription, so I can't super see, but I have looked in the mirror in these, and I really like this style for my face. I feel like that round frame kind of fits my round face. So if you have a larger face like I do, this is a good style. And you can see that it does have all the anti-reflective and glare stuff, obviously because I'm getting a glare from the window. But I really like these, and I think the print is really fun. And if you want this exact pair, these are in tortoise. And something that I really like about these frames is that while the frames themselves, this front part, the tortoise, is obviously plastic, the sides and this little gold part right in the middle is all metal. So they have a really nice weight to them. They feel really sturdy, if that makes any sense. And for me, who has a flatter bridge nose, these have those these things in them, so they will sit up on your face so they don't hit your cheeks. And for those of you who also wear makeup and glasses, you know the struggle that it can get really irritating constantly fixing that or pushing them up. So these came and they actually fit me perfectly. I don't have to get the nose things adjusted or anything, and I really like them. So for these, if you use my code, let's dive right into this box. It comes in this nice blue box, and then this is what it looked like when I got them. So I've undone this, but I put it back together how I got it. So it comes with this bag, which I guess if you are giving these to someone, you can put them inside of this bag. I think it's cute when companies care about packaging because I've definitely received packages where it's just everything's thrown in. So I like this little touch. And these came in this black packaging, so it just has the logo on it, and it comes in a sleeve. I really like the packaging of all of this because I feel like the sleeve with the box, it just looks nice. I'm a packaging person, obviously. This is how they come. See different, enjoy more. Oh, this business card type thing is really cute. So I like how it has this. And then it just opens and it has their support email inside of it. And all of the blue light blocking glasses do come with the blue laser with the little card inside of it, so you can actually test, and I will show you that at the end. So these other two styles that I got, this all looks the same as the other one. So black case with the snap and the red interior. And then we're gonna pull these out. And I don't know about you guys who also wear glasses, but I have so many pairs for so many different activities in my life. If I'm gonna go to work and I have something like businessy to do, I wear something, you know, a little bit more toned down, so like black or tortoise. Then in my everyday life, I have my rose gold glasses, so that's really fun. So I did order a variety of pairs. So you saw the first pair, they were tortoise. And then this pair is business-y. And then they're black, and they just have that like very classic black on the top with the wire on the bottom, and they all come with the protective stuff, so that's really nice because you don't want these getting scratched up before they arrive. And this is what they look like. So let's try these on. Hello. I have a round face and a little nose, so I am a big fan of this style. I have a couple pairs. Actually, almost all of my glasses I own are this style, like with something thicker at the top with something a little bit thinner at the bottom, because I think it just complements my face, so I like this. And I love having black glasses again because I've had pink glasses for the last year or so, so this is nice to have another black pair. And in case you were wondering, this style is called Murat. M-U-R-R-A-T if you want to search, and like I said, they'll be linked below. So that's what these look like. And again, they have the nice little nose things. So that is what these are. And like I said, of course, in the case, this also has the cleaning cloth, and I will hoard these like nothing else. And last but not least is my most anticipated pair out of the three that I ordered. And I, again, love the packaging, so let's dive right into this. I'm super excited because I had these for a little while before I filmed, and I didn't have time to film, so I've been waiting to wear these. Again, business card, and I have so much like packaging around me right now, and the blue light that I'll show you at the end. So now I have like 3 pairs of everything, but this is the black case, and we're gonna open these up, and I'm so excited. So this is the super fun pair that I ordered. They are rose gold squares, and I love rose gold. It will never get old to me. So they come with the little protection on the side, and of course my favorite little nose things. So let's try these on. These are so fun to me. I don't wear super loud prints or clothing or anything, and I feel like glasses are just a little added accessory that I have to have on my face to be able to, you know, live my life, because contacts just fall out of my face if I'm staring at a screen for too long. So, you know, I've worn glasses since 6th grade, so I feel like I've been around the block with glasses, and I love these. They're so much fun. And this style is called Tinsel in rose gold. Obviously, I love rose gold, and I'm super excited by the way all of these fit and look and feel. And I love the nose pads because I feel like up until very recently, glasses were not a trendy or cute thing. Having to have worn glasses for ever, it feels like, it's really nice to find some styles I enjoy. So to review, I have Tinsel, and those are rose gold in the square kind of lens shape. And then I have the Murat in black. And the first pair was Jolla in the tortoise shell. And I think all of these have a really nice, unique look, and they all feel really good. You know the difference, glasses wearers, between glasses that don't feel good and glasses that feel good, and these all have a really nice weight. They're not too heavy, but they're also not so light that it's kind of like weird when they're on your face because they move by just like, you know, breathing basically. So this is the testing kit that comes with each of these pairs, and I don't know if you can see it against my desk, but they do have that slight tint to the lenses, which is what the blue light blocking is. That's why it looks almost like orangish sort of through the glass. So I will show you what this looks like. When you shine the blue light on here, it literally turns blue. That's what it's doing to your eyes when you're staring at screens all day long. So that is what the blue laser is doing. And then to show you with the actual glasses, here they all are. And you can see this blue laser on camera. It's coming off with like a pink dot in the middle. So there it is on the desk, and then you put it through here, and it reduces it a lot. Like, look at the desk and then look through the lens. It's pretty crazy what a big difference that makes. So I'm shining it through all of them, and you can't really see it as clearly through the glass versus on the desk. So that is the point of getting blue light blocking glasses, basically. And here's a little up close of all of my frames. And like I said, all of the information on all of these glasses and links will be in the description box below. Use code Carly Allen for buy one get one free, and they are very affordable, which is really great because I think for young people or for really anyone, it's really nice to have affordable options. And I would not endorse a brand that I did not like the quality or, you know, customer service or anything like that. And they were always really helpful if I had any questions. I did have a few questions when we started this collab, so they were always very responsive. And I would recommend getting any of these styles that I grabbed. I think they'd be good for a lot of different face shapes, but in particular, it works well if you're built similarly to me. So if you want to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe and let me know which was your favorite, do so in the comments below. Find me on all of my social media platforms at Carly Jun Allen, and I will see you next time. Bye guys!